Hi traders, this is Sarjun. Welcome to Global Wealth Education Forex Academy Weekly Forex Forecast. I believe from our previous weekly Forex forecast, you could have gained some good value, knowledge, and caught good number of pips on our expected directions, move, and targets. To verify, please check our previous weekly Forex forecast videos to understand how we trade. To become profitable and a successful trader, you need the right Forex education, tools, and strategies. We made easy to learn Forex for anyone to learn and earn. By teaming up with our group of professional Forex experts and traders, we have created an educational packages that combines with allied strategies, and we have brought them to the retail market and business world. Our courses are for people at all levels, from Forex beginners to intermediate up to institutional trading and smart money mastery. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. Here I am sharing my views and opinion and the way I approach the market based on my experience and price actions, institutional trading, smart money concept with our unique strategies to become profitable in this market. You can check our courses on our GWE platform that will be live soon. You can able to see our bespoke courses. Let's jump into DXY. Why we always look at dollar index in order to understand the other major pairs, direction and moves. Pairs like GBP-USD, EURUSD, and AUD-USD and USD-CAD, dollar-based pairs. Okay, let's jump onto DXY. If we have a bearish expectation on DXY, USD-CAD, USD-JPY, USD-CHF generally trade lower. That means go lower. And EURUSD, GBP-USD, AUD-USD trade higher, right? In the meantime, suppose if we have a bullish expectation on DXY, USD-CAD, USD-JPY, USD-CHF trade higher. EURUSD, GBP-USD, AUD-USD will go lower, right? If you guys check our previous week's videos, you could able to see that how we analyze dollar index in order to understand other pairs, moves, and directions, right? As we expected last week, in the week before, we have reached our target. This two level we have been discussing past 2 weeks, and last 3-4 weeks actually. Eventually we hit the target, right? So to verify, please do check our previous videos. Now, what next? I'm anticipating price to run higher. Then because we are in a deep, still we are in a bearish run. What I'm expecting is, I'm expecting price to run lower, hit this target, which is 92.30 below that. Then again, the one more target I'm expecting in down here, right? After this, we could expect some move towards up, right? This is one scenario. I'm expecting DXY to run quickly lower. One more push to the downside, then we could expect some reversal from these levels, right? This is one scenario. The other scenario is price could run higher from this level to hit this target, which is 94 level. Then we could see that what's the price action is going to show us, what sort of opportunity this market is going to give us, right? So now let's move on to EURUSD. Yes, EURUSD has been bullish. It's on still bullish structure. We have been catching good number of pips on EURUSD. What's next? Now I am anticipating EURUSD to climb lower, then run higher to this target, 1.27 area. So we have been, if you check our previous video, this was our level. Eventually we are reaching towards this target, which is 1.2. So now this is the target I'm expecting, which price to hit 1.20 level. This is the one scenario. This is the target I'm expecting. Now we are already in one sell setup. It's been triggered. We are already on sell now, right? So we have some sell setup, buy setups which been placed here. This is for educational purposes, right? So based on the structure move, this setup and the entry points will be changed, right? So if we find any particular potential setup, we will share it with our members group. For now, EURUSD, we are on sell. The target is, it's been here, so one sell is here. The other one is we are waiting to trigger for sell, which is the price level is 1.19. Let me get the exact price level for you. 1.19114, right? It's not trigger yet. If that trigger, we could catch nice, beautiful potential downwards move and the pips, right? So this is a one scenario, price to run higher. Here is we could expect some buy setup from at the price level of 1.8222. This is a one scenario. The other scenario is suppose if the price break this area, this level, then we could see some potential move towards downside to this level, right? So let's see that what's the market going to give us. Let's wait. Let's move on to GBP-USD. We have made good number of pips on GBP-USD last few weeks, and if you check our previous video, you could see that we were talking about this level. Eventually, we hit that level, right? We mentioned that level exactly. We hit that level. Now the price is climbing higher now. So what is next? GBP-USD, it's on bullish run, right? It's pure bullish. I'm expecting price to drop to this level. Then I'm anticipating drop here or further. Then I'm expecting price to run higher. This is what I'm anticipating on GBP-USD, right? On the other hand, suppose if the GBP-USD drop deeper and break this low, we could expect price to run further lower to 1.280 price level, right? So we have seen two scenarios, price to drop, and we are looking for some buying opportunity at this price level of 1.313886. On the other hand, if the price drop further down and break this level, which is 1.2980 price level, then we could expect price to run further lower to 1.280, right? This is what I'm anticipating on GBP-USD. Let's move on to USD-CAD. USD-CAD. Okay, what's happening? Guys, we had a nice, beautiful drop here. I'm anticipating price to run overall, long-term agenda is I'm anticipating price to run higher. Guys, if the reversal happen, we could have nearly more than 400 to 500 pips potential towards upside. This is what I'm anticipating in this September on USD-CAD. Remember, because we need a corrections because it's been a heavy bearish past weeks, past months, right? Now we are anticipating bull run on USD-CAD on this September. For now, what is next? I'm not going to look for any sell setup on USD-CAD, but this sell setup is triggered on last Friday, so it's on profit now. I wanted to look for buy setups. If I see any buy opportunity with a confluence, I will go for a buy setup. For now, maybe USD-CAD could run lower, one more push to the downside. Then again, we could target 400 to 500 pips towards upside. USD-JPY. USD I'm anticipating price to run higher. Then we could expect price to run lower. One more push to this downside. Okay, USD I'm anticipating price to run higher. Then we could expect price to drop to this level. This level is what I'm anticipating on USD right? So see that fib 71, 78%, we could anticipate short position on USD like this. So this is a potential setup. This is a potential setup, guys. So we need more price actions. We need this move to be happen to enter this sell setup. So we need more data. Let's see what market going to give us, Monday, Tuesday. Based on that, with the confluence, then we could enter this position on USD for sell. I'm looking for sell opportunity on USD. That's it for now. If you find any potential setup, we will share with our members group. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and also do share with others to benefit. Every week you will gain more value on our forecast, and you will get tips and techniques to improve your skill set. Here we are sharing the directions and targets based on institutional smart money concept. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all for the fantastic trading week. Take care, trade safe.